Hi, my name's Tina Buchler. I'm from Business Growth Training, and I'm here today on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this clip, I'd like to talk about some use of your resume and perhaps the larger picture of how you use that resume and the other job search tools. Some things to think about. Number one, you've taken all this time to create this resume to make sure it looks very professional. And then people fold it up in tiny little bits and stick it in an envelope and mail it off to the employer. When the employer receives it, this very carefully crafted piece of artwork is all scrunched up. So if you're going to mail your resume, mail it in a large envelope. It does take a bit more postage, but it does, when it is received, it is much more professional. Your cover letter and your references and all the documentation that you provide this employer should have a very similar look. Now that you've chosen a format and a font and a style for your resume, you want to apply that same style to your references, that same style to your cover letter. You want that consistency through it. What you're creating is a very professional package that you want to have that employer receive. That professionalism of the whole package reflects back on you and your professionalism. And professionalism never goes wrong. It doesn't matter what occupation you are looking for or what job you are looking for. The other thing you need to think about is your resume is a marketing tool. When you go for your job interview, know that one of the reasons why you were called in is the information on your resume. However, I don't ever hire a resume, I hire a person. And so when you go in for the interview, your resume is not just a tool for the employer to call you in for the interview, it's a tool for you. You need to use it to help you in the interview. Bring that material that you have put on your resume alive in the interview. Use your resume as a tool. So when an employer asks you a question, you can say, well, as my resume indicates in the section, you will see that, and then you can highlight the key components that you have included. Please don't expect an employer to hire you based on your resume. It's a piece of paper, and we don't hire paper. We hire people. So bring your resume alive. Bring a copy of your resume to the interview with you so that you have it as one of your tools in your marketing process. This puts the whole package together. Originally, you set your goal, you determine what material you're going to put on to market to your goal, and then when you go to the interview, you use this document to close the sale. And that's the whole purpose of your resume, your marketing document.